Hello everyone, welcome to the Low Dairy channel. There is something I want to show you guys today. There's some kind of food that my grandmother used to cook when we were young. Hmm? It's actually purple, but the way she could cook it, I just want to try it for the first time. We used to eat when I think I was about 2-3 years. It's purple. Hmm? So I'm going to cook this purple with silverfish. You're going to paste it, and if it's cooked that way, it tastes more of dried eggplants with silverfish. So I'm going to take you through all the processes so you see how I'm going to cook this purple. Mm? I'm first going to cut it, slice it. That's how I'm going to do it. Wow, this comic thing is making it to be very. Hi, let's like me. So trying this might take about 2 days, but it depends on the hotness of the sun anyway. If the sun shines like very hot today, then maybe by tomorrow it will be ready for cooking. So basically for today it's going to be about sun drying only, because it has to dry, like real drying, for it to come out well. Popo, in our language we call it papai. But when you're cooking it as food, like as meal, a complete meal, we now call it kware. Yeah, we call it kware. So now I'm not saying I'm cooking popo, but instead I will say I'm going to cook, or I'll be cooking kware, not no longer popo. Eh, this naive. Another one. And I'm going to cut this. Then the knife is not very sharp like this. Come on, no. Yeah. So I want to cut it. I want to cut it not very thick. Yeah, I want it to be very light for it to dry faster. So done. Done. Thank you, girl. So we call it cabbage. You see? Because once you cut them, you see how it is. It's just like cabbage. So we call it actually cabbage. Papaida. Now this one is this purple. Wow, it's actually dry. See how free it has become. The thing that was full of this tray. See, just see the size. It's dry. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to cook it today. Not tomorrow anymore. To dry. Now this is the silver fish that I'm going to be using for cooking with the other purple to make it a complete meal. Yeah. So I'm going to wash it and then I just put it on fire to boil with the pawpaw, the dried pawpaw. So I'm not going to use all. I just want to cook small. So let me wash. Let me wash this. The pawpaw is here. That's good. Okay. Let it cook here. So our food is now ready. Yeah, it's cooked. Attached. So we're now going to paste it. See, when you see it looks like cabbage, but it's not. Here is the peanut, the OD. We're just going to get a small amount. That's going to be enough. Okay. What? The other one is bad. Not 100 now. You do it now 100. Yeah. Give me it. Wow. Wow. So food is ready. You can eat this with potatoes, with posho, gali, or with boiled cassava. All the same. Yeah, even with the rice. Milk. It's nice. I'm eating this after 7 years. No, 24 years. The last time I ate, I was 4 years. No, made ba? Bebe know what is a pie.